My name's Jamie. I've just completed a counterbalance course, a 3-day course. Prior to coming to 4KS, I'd never done any type of forklift driving before, so I was quite apprehensive before turning up. I was almost immediately put at ease by the guys that were doing the training. It was very in-depth, very full detailed, from everything from the practical to the theory to talking us through how to handle the forklifts. I couldn't ask for any better of the course to be put on. I now feel confident to go into any business and be able to drive any type of counterbalance. And for that reason, I can't thank the guys more than enough. That's it.